Say goodbye to boring websites that don't convert. When visitors land on your website, you have about 3 seconds to draw them in and keep them engaged before they bounce off. Video is one of the best ways to attract and capture your ideal audience's attention. Video is a powerful tool to convey your brand vibe and share easy to consume information about your products and services. Using video on your website will make it feel more current and dynamic, which is going to lower your bounce rates, communicate your messaging, and create a memorable browsing experience. Not to mention, it can skyrocket your conversions. So, how do you use video strategically on your website? Join me as I show you 5 ideas for using video on your website in a way that's going to engage your viewers and lead them to take action. So, your first step is you're going to want to start with high quality video that is true to your brand identity. So, you can either film your own brand content, or if you want to save time and avoid the hassle like I do, then you can use done for you professionally filmed stock videos. All of the videos in the examples that I'm going to show you are from the Hot Stock library, which you can find linked down below if you want to check out the membership and get access to stock images and videos for your brand. Now let's get into the 5 main places on your website that you should consider using video. I'm going to be using the Hotstock website for my 5 examples because they do a great job of integrating video throughout their website in a really strategic way. So the first place that we're going to look at is the home page. So the home page pulls people into your site immediately and they'll watch video because it feels immersive. So because this is the first visual that people see, this is a great place to introduce a video that's gonna give them a sneak peek into what your business offers. Using a video in the header here is really great because it's gonna draw attention already to the copy, which features Hotstock's brand promise, and also the call to action button, which is gonna encourage visitors to check out your sales page. So already they've landed on your homepage and they're already being taken to the services. So that's really great. And also for a design tip, if there's a video that you really like that's vertical, keep in mind that you can always use it for horizontal headers with a little cropping. So just let us know in the comments if you'd like a tutorial on how to do that in depth. So the second place that you would want to consider adding video maybe is your about page. This is going to create a bit of interest on a page that's usually a little formulaic. So this could be a custom brand video of you doing your craft, working with clients, or creating your product. It's just such a nice way to get a glimpse into who you are and what you do in only a few seconds. Also, because your About You page tends to have a lot of storytelling copy, video can help you break it up. It can show a bit of your personality dispersed with copy, and it's going to help you further your story. So this page is, after all about you and your business. So you do want to focus on video that's going to be a little bit more personable. Also, I wanted to note that depending on what platform you're using, you may need to convert your videos to GIFs when you're designing for your mobile site versus the desktop version. You just want to do your research before you go uploading your videos. So the next page that we're going to look at is your sales page. So your sales page is really great to use video because it'll help you break up a page that's going to have a lot of info in strategic sections. So you can consider using either relevant stock video that's going to fit with the text context, or use stock videos that are a little bit more artistic. So in the Hot Stock library, there's a variety of videos that feature lifestyle and models that are going to match maybe well with the context of your text. Or if you prefer, you could choose videos that have simple movement in the background, things like nature or shadows or textures. So on this page, video is really great to highlight a key message. So for example, Hotstock has used video in the background of this header overlaid with some animated text. This added movement is really going to automatically catch your viewer's eye and encourage them to read that section. Another great way to use video on your sales page is with testimonials, because these are going to be really impactful videos that make people pay attention, and your best business is word of mouth, and testimonials are very important to build that trust with your new clients. So adding video to this section is going to help you illustrate a greater human connection that your readers can relate to. And a great way to do this is by creating a section with video in the background overlaid with testimonials, either that change automatically or that your audience can control. And a bonus tip is if your buyers send video testimonials to you, then add them on your sales page so that people can watch them. And really, it's adding that human connection in the best way possible that's going to be natural and organic. The fourth place we're going to look at is your thank you page. So, whenever your clients sign up for a course, or just sign up for your membership or your services, anything where you're sending them to a thank you web page, you can add video here because it's going to make it fun and it's going to get people even more excited when they opt in. So a great choice of video in this scenario is celebration video because things like falling balloons, cheersing champagne, or popping confetti really shows that you're excited and grateful for their business, and it's just going to give them that little extra excitement. And the last place that's really fun to add video to is your footers, because this can help you add a little bit of personality sprinkled throughout your website. Video doesn't have to be big to be effective, so you can turn smaller videos into GIFs and then add them strategically to your website where it's appropriate, but don't overdo it. So for example, Hotstock's footer has this graphic that looks like a profile icon that has been turned into a GIF. And just the last design tip, just keep in mind that less is always more. So just because video is an effective marketing, it still needs to be strategic. So filling every section of your website with video will become overwhelming and it's going to slow down your website and become less meaningful. So speaking of slowing down your website, always research the recommendations for your website when it comes to video size and formatting. You may need to use an online converter to compress your videos. If you're inspired by these tips and you want to access any of the stock videos that were used in this video, then you'll want to check out the Hotstock membership. Inside our exclusive members only library, you'll get access to thousands of stock photos, curated stock videos that you can use on your social media, time-saving templates that you can customize for your brand, and monthly marketing guides to help you with content creation for your business. Thanks for watching. If you want more video marketing ideas, then you'll want to watch our video, How to Create a Website in Canva in Under 10 Minutes.